Hey, welcome guys. In last video I've shown you about the change password section. In last video we have completed our change password section. We want successfully change password. We was able to successfully change the password in our project. So there are some things I want to change. For example, I am getting some errors. I want to show you. Simple, you can see here session error. We are not able to see the name of the user. Okay, and here you can see if I click on this icon, this is not working now. Okay, and this is also okay. So how can we resolve this? First, you can see here we are not logging in our application. For example, index.php. Now we are on index.php, but without login we can able to access our change password page. You can see here. Okay, so how can we resolve it? Simple, I have shown you in last video how can we set these type of settings. Simple, to improve or to remove this type of errors we need to add session. Okay, so you can see here I already add a line of code. Here you can see after start the session, if user email is empty, then redirect us on index.php. So this line of code we also need in change password.php. So I copy this and go to change password, and I will paste this line of code after the session. Okay, let's save and let's check. If I refresh, it will redirect us on index.php again. Okay, if I try to open change password, it will not open. So let's sign in. And our password is 12345 now. Click on login and details matched. Okay, and after login you can see here we are not able to minimize this menu. Okay, and this button is also not working. Why? Because we need to do some changes in our code. Let's go in header.php, and here you can see in last video I have added some files with this JavaScript. Okay, I have it this retailer library and this admin ltmin.js and bootstrap.min.js and jquery.min.js. okay, so here is our footer. You can see the footer code, and in the footer code there are also date files. Okay, so in footer I am removing this file. Okay, first I copy this file and I cut from here, and let's save the footer.php and go for header.php, and here you can see all the three files which I copied from footer.php. The footer.php file I paste in header.php. okay, and after the suite alert.js I add here. Okay, and I am going to copy all the 4 libraries link, and I copy from here and cut, and I am going to paste just above the and just below the meta. Okay, meta tag, paste, and let's save and check our code is work or not. Come on browser, refresh and click. Okay, got this. Now it is working. Sign out, and let's try to open change password, but it will not open. Okay, and you can see here if I log in from a user account, for example, and here you can see we are unable to open these again. Okay, so for user account we can also do the same thing. I just need to copy this line of code. Okay, I copy, and let's go on header user.php. Okay, and let's maximize our text editor. And in the text editor you can see there is no any link of sweet alerts file and js file. So after just below these meta tag, I will paste that same file or that same links. Okay, save where here in header user.php file. Let's save and let's check refresh first and let's check. Yes, it's worked. And next thing is in our user dashboard, here is change password button, but this time it is not working. Okay, so we need to link change password from also in user.php. So how can do this? Simple. Let's go in, we need to go on header user.php. Okay, control F and find change password. Okay, you can see here is our change password button, and we can link here our change password.php file, change password.php, and let's save. Now let's check, refresh and click on change password. Okay, it's done. And back, change password. But you can see here if we are go on change password.php from user account, whole the header.php file we can see here instead of header user.php. Okay, so we will apply a condition. Let's apply go on change password, and here can we write the code. Simple. We can use if else condition here. I can use if $session $session and role is equal to admin. Okay, then else we can use else here, and inside the else we can include header user.php. Okay, let's save. Let's check, sign out. Okay, let's sign in using of admin account and password 12345. Okay, and go to on change password. Yes, we are able to see the header.php file in admin account. Okay, let's check in user account, sign out and go for user. And the password is 1234. Login. Let's see it's work or not. Yes. Okay, it's working fine. If I click on change password, we are able to see header user.php here. Okay, not header.php file. So I hope you got this. Both the icon is also working in our project when we log in from user account. I hope you got it. If you have any problem, you can ask me.